Ozzy and Gigi. No, Izzy and Ozzy, mom and baby. Bella. Bullseye. Rest of the family. Excuse you, Bella. I'm trying to get the cook over here, pardon me. You have to ask Dawn where the garbage can is. I don't know where they have it. Changes every time I come.
There's one right there.
Hey!
Get out of here.
Ah, damn Ozzy.
All of y'all. Fuck off. Damn off.
I can't stand that dog. So, hello, cook. How are you? What's on the menu tonight?
Steak, hamburgers, corn, potatoes. A whole bunch of stuff.
And I see we're using charcoal, I presume?
Yeah. To keep the flavor.
Hey, as long as the food cooks, that's all I care.
Without falling apart, that's...
Well, when a guy cooks, it's usually good.
Yeah, but this one, these keep falling apart.
Nice thick steaks. We'll have to cut them in half. In New York, the guy I was with, he bought those London broil steaks. He would cut them in half if they were thick enough. We'd put 3 packages of 2. Get more food out of it. A little bit of everything for now before we set up. That's my coffee down there.
She's becoming Gigi.
Hello, Mr. Steve.
Gigi's becoming Oh, we got a grill. Are you grilling? Oh, yeah. We got hot dog.
Mr. Steve, how are you?
Miss Dina.
I'm doing
How you
YouTube.
doing?
I'm doing YouTube videos. Are you and the family wanting to be in it? Not yet. I get permission first. This is my brother-in-law, Steve.
Yeah. My wife, where's she?
Does she want to be in it?
So who's
I do videos of our little get-togethers. Do you want to be in it?
Seems like a hot place
And this is my sister-in-law, Allie.
Florida summer. Yeah, I'm finding some tongues. For the corn.
Oh, I have tongue.
I always like to get permission first.
What do you need tongues?
Check the box. Have my permission. We have to try to somehow get a group picture of all of us here tonight. Dawn is good at the group pictures.
Better knock all the corn.
She got 13 of us on a... I don't recall if you were with us or not. She got 13 of us on a elevator one day.
Grill free.
Well, elevator makes sense. Then you can yeah. Smart.
And then you got the mirror there to help.
Somebody that's tall like that. Look, somebody that's taller than you.
The 2 Steves. Big Steve, little Steve. Can we get father and son moment?
Oh, yeah, that's good too.
This is going on her YouTube.
That's right.
Right here. Wait,
How
free,
many
free
subs-
advertisement. Free advertisement. It's honing on their shirt. There you go. The best of the best right there.
Yeah.
Give us a
Hold
call.
on,
Free
Steven, stop
estimates,
moving.
Free estimates. AC, mini splits, everything.
Yes, and this is the owner, Steven.
Everything right here. Yep. Right
And,
here. Get active. You already know.
I'll come upstairs, guys.
You already know. Boom.
That's some hell of a way to advertise for your father. Dawn, any free time?
I'm really
I got baby wipes.
baby wipes.
I got cereal. I got a hot plate.
Well, till the next video.